Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your April's 4th week's exclusive, that means last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's see how this week is going to turn out for you, whether we talk about your career or your love life. If you want to know about this channel, the readings, the rituals and the counseling sessions that I offer, please stay tuned till the end and I will give you more information. So let's begin with your career first. You've got the 9 of Stars and the Chariot card. Well, first of all, I do see that some of you are dealing with a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising in your own birth chart, right? I do see that you had to end something, like you had to end a job or let go of some sort of opportunity, or you did not get that promotion that you wanted. This particular thing that has happened with you in your career has hurt you, right? It could be that you lost a lot of money. It could be that your stocks didn't go well, or that deal didn't go well, or you never heard back from a company you applied for. So something has really hurt you. You are deeply wounded. And career wise, if I talk, things have been quite bad or stuck for you so far. This week, things will start moving forward for you. Yes, you've got the Chariot, so I do see that whatever that stuck energy was, that's going to go away, and suddenly you will see that your car is moving forward, which is like your career is moving forward. It will start taking steps for your progress. So you will start to see progress in your career. It won't be as bad as your previous weeks. And I also see that some of you could be traveling for work as well. It could be that you're traveling in other cities, states, or country as well, or you're going to hear some sort of good news from abroad. You could have international clients or some sort of money coming in from abroad. So I do see there's a connection of a different city and state and country from where you are. So definitely things are moving forward for you. Traveling is there for you. Good opportunities are coming for you. More money is coming for you. Success is coming for you. All that you will start seeing in the last week of April. Let's see what's happening in your love life. Now you've got the Pope card and the Magician. Well, first of all, I do see some sort of traditional ceremony happening here. So either you, if you're single, you could be getting married, engaged, rocofied, or some sort of function is happening at your home. If you are married, then I do see you could be doing some bhumi pujan and celebrating the housewarming party, visiting the church, or doing some god bhadai function as well, celebrating the birth of the baby. So some sort of good news, some sort of function, some sort of traditional ceremonies is happening. You're celebrating something. I do see that you are celebrating something, and you have manifested this in your life. And if you haven't manifested, you're going to manifest big things in your personal life. That means if you're single and you want to manifest a relationship, it's going to happen. If you are in a relationship, you want to manifest marriage, it's going to happen. If you're married and you want to manifest a baby, it's going to happen. If you are in a situationship, that person hasn't committed to you, they will commit to you. If you haven't heard back from your ex, they could come back in your life. So whatever you desire in your personal life, you could manifest this. Now the trick here is, when your manifestation power is strong, the thing that you need to do is only and only think positive. Because by any chance, if you think negative, there is an equal possibility of you attracting the negative in your life. So please, please, Taurus, try and be positive in the last week of April and see your life change. Okay, you are going to manifest that partner, that relationship, that marriage, that baby that you are so very desiring. Okay, it is going to be overall a very good week for you. Your career growth is going to be there. Things are moving again for you. If you were stuck, the money will start flowing if that was stuck, and the relationship or marriage and the commitment that you were waiting for will happen as well. So this is going to be a beautiful week. If you resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want to book any personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions with me, I do that as well. So how do you book it? You either email me on the given email ID which is mentioned in my description box and bio, asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram as well to book a reading. Very cheap reading, very easy rituals, nothing fancy, no high prices are there. So you can always ask me any questions that you want, and please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details over there as what discounts are going on, what new services I've added, or what to do the ritual, sorry, when to do the ritual and what kind of ritual, etc. Right? So full moon, new moon, etc. All these information you get on a daily basis. So please go and follow me over there. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you think you or any friend or family of yours need some counseling session where I will be your guide and mentor, I will give you guidance on what to come. I will hear you out. I will, listen to your deep dark secrets, and I will give you a free remedy also with the help of your angels with another deck of yours. Right? So please book it right now. Thank you for watching my channel. My name is Astha Sharma, and you're watching the Moksha Tarot English. I hope you guys enjoyed this reading. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.